Upgrade your morning routine with the Chefman Crema Supreme Espresso machine. This isn't your average coffee maker. It's a barista in a box. With a built-in conical burr grinder boasting 30 grind settings, you'll enjoy perfectly customized, freshly ground coffee every time. The 15-bar pump delivers rich, flavorful espresso, and you can adjust shot temperature and volume for your ideal cup. Create lattes and cappuccinos with ease thanks to the integrated milk frother. A large 3-liter water reservoir keeps up with even the busiest brunch gatherings. This stunning stainless steel machine comes complete with all the accessories you need, plus a 1-year warranty. Ready to experience cafe-quality coffee at home? Visit our product page now and start your day the delicious way.